Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I am going to show you how to install Zoom or Zoom Cloud Meeting on your PC or laptop. Nowadays Zoom application is very important because we can use it our business purpose or students online class or teachers online class taking. So you can realize that this is very important for us. So today I going to show you that how to install Zoom in your PC or laptop. So at first you need a on kind of any kind of browser on your PC or laptop, and first I will show you why it is important this Zoom account. First, uh, at first business, for business this is very important. Then online class it's important. Second, we need for install, number 2, we need a we need to open browser for install it. For open browser, okay, after open browser then type zoom zoom cloud meeting or Zoom application for PC. Look at this. At first option you get Zoom for Windows. Click over this Zoom for Windows. Okay, there have two options for Apple or for Google for Android. Look at this. My Zoom application is already automatically downloading. Wait for download. This is very important apps during the coronavirus. Okay, I need more 3 seconds. It's downloaded, finished. Go to the corner and this is your exe file. Then show folder. Show folder. Tap it and install it. Look at this. This is my Zoom account or Zoom application already installed, and in this way you can install your Zoom account. I will show you the next video how to create Zoom account. I will show you it or next video. So stay with us and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching my video.